So today I'm going to be doing a video about how to pack for an audition. So my audition is on Saturday and it's a one-day audition. So I'm going to arrive in Florida at 6:15 a.m. and then I will be leaving on Sunday, and my flight is also at 6:15. So it's just going to be a quick trip, get to the point of like what I need to pack so I have enough stuff, and yeah. I thought this video would be super helpful for performers who want to try to audition out of the state, you know, or even out of the country, just to pack a carry-on, and kind of how I do it since I've done multiple auditions out of state. I thought it would just be helpful. If you want to see how I pack for an overnight one-day audition, then just keep watching.
Okay guys, so the first thing I really like to do is pick out the bags that I'm going to be traveling with. So in this case, since I'm going to Florida, I like to sometimes do themes. So of course I'm going to take my Disney backpack for my audition and my carry-on, since I'm not taking that much stuff. So I usually like to keep just my carry-on if I'm doing auditions, because then I know all of my stuff is together and I'm not fearful of losing it or not having something when I get to the audition. So after that, I start to lay out my clothes. So first I'll do my audition outfit, because since that's like the reason I'm going, it's the most important outfit I need to remember. So I'll lay it out first, and then I'll think about other things that are going on in the day. So while I'm there, I know that they're gonna do Dapper Day. So if I get cut from the audition, I'll be able to go to Dapper Day. So after I lay out my audition outfit, I put together my Dapper Day outfit. So I was gonna Disney bound as Rapunzel. And as you can tell, I also like to pick a theme usually of like colors, just so in case like something goes missing or whatever happens, I can still like mix and match. Put all my accessories, literally everything that you can think of for this outfit, you're gonna put down. So for my dress, I have my shorts that go underneath, my bra, my studs for my audition outfit, excuse me, my shoes that I'm gonna wear on the plane, and my workout shoes. Then from there, I just really like to start rolling it instead of folding it into these little cubes. So I love these cubes. They help keep me organized, especially when I can put like each outfit in a cube. I know some people like to put like all their shirts or all their jackets or whatever in each cube, but for me, especially for such a short trip, if I put it in each cube, then I just have to open the cube for my outfit that day, which isn't as big a deal, and it's easier to find stuff. So also, these cubes expand, which is really nice because, as you could tell, they were super flat. And I always put my shoes in a bag. I usually just do the like little Lululemon bags because I don't want the bottom of my shoes touching my clothes or anything else in my suitcase, because personally for me that's kind of gross. So, and then I just put my socks in my other shoes because I obviously will be wearing those on the airplane. So I have a cute little carrier that has like all my Disney jewelry in it. I promise I'm not going to wear all of it. I just have that and my Christmas jewelry in a travel case, because of course those are the two I always travel with. So then I'm going to put my bra and my underwear in a bag, and I'm going to hang up my audition outfit, and now I'm just going to pack it all in. That little pad, if anyone was wondering, it's soft on one side and then you can wipe it down on the other, and I usually do my makeup over it just in case I don't have a place to do my makeup like in the room I'm staying, or if I'm like on the go. And then break leg is all my makeup and my pajamas, and then I have my suitcase, and now I start packing my backpack. So my backpack is basically going to be what I use on the plane. So I have like my tea bags, my headphones. I always like to take another bag just in case I need like a small purse and I don't need just the giant bag. Of course, my charger, my laptop, my phone. Little Pascal, he's so cute. So I got my sunglasses, my book I'll be reading, which is excellent at the moment. Of course, my water bottle. Oh, there's Minnie. Hi, Minnie. My water bottle, of course, for the audition. Want to stay hydrated. My wallet, and it comes with an over-the-shoulder strap, so I'm just putting it with it. My ID, because usually when I get on the airplane and stuff, I like to just put my driver's license in there. This bag has my dance shoes in it, so it's from Vera Bradley. It's waterproof on the inside. And then I like to keep a little trinket with me. So my very first Halloween, I was Tinkerbell, and that is my wand, and I like to bring little things like that for good luck. I know to probably some people it's super silly, but I think it's fun, and it has like chew marks all over it, and it used to have glitter inside of it. But after I've laid everything out, I just start packing. I just see how I can fit it in the bag. Sometimes this takes a couple tries. As you can tell, like, it's definitely not gonna stay like that. So I had to zip it up and retry. But however, it's not gonna be too heavy. I wanna make sure my like water bottle doesn't fall out the side. I wanna keep my phone out, and my laptop, I'll take it back out just because I want to charge it, make sure it's fully charged for the next day. Then here's my outfit. I always hang it on my door, so in the morning, if I have an early flight, I can just grab it and go. My little Jiminy Cricket for good luck. And I keep my shoes right next to it, so literally just wake up, put on my clothes, put on my shoes, probably throw my hair up, put on like a little bit of makeup, mascara, some like foundation.
So thanks for watching. Comment below if you want me to do any other packing videos, like when I go home for Christmas or moving or something. And I will talk with you all soon. Have a good one. Bye. Rawr. Oh, it won't even focus on my dinosaur chicken nugget. Ow, it's hot. It's hot. Okay.